Driven by increased collaboration and generative AI use, data proliferation in Microsoft 365 is quickly leading to budget problems for more and more organizations. On average, Microsoft 365 data tends to grow 15 to 30% year over year, and Microsoft now charges $2,000 or more per terabyte per year once you reach your SharePoint pooled storage allowance. This forces IT teams into difficult choices, time-consuming and arbitrary data cleanup, compliance risks, and uncomfortable budget conversations. In this demo, I'll walk you through adding archiving to a CrashPlan backup policy and show you how end users can still access archived documents without impacting their workflow. When you archive with CrashPlan, you control costs while adding a critical layer of data resilience. Let's get started. CrashPlan helps you avoid paying for additional storage with automatic archiving that doesn't disrupt users' workflows. You set the criteria, and CrashPlan removes files from Microsoft 365 pooled storage and into our secure backup storage. To add archiving to this SharePoint backup policy, I'll toggle it on and update the settings. You can choose from several criteria to determine which files get automatically archived, including site consumption percentage, number of days since the document was last modified, and document size. In this example, I'll focus on larger, inactive files. I'll keep the default values and save my policy. Let's take a look at our SharePoint documents to see what archived files look like and how end users access them. Archived documents look just like other documents, except they have an additional .url appended to the file name. I'll click the CrashPlan comparison summary to view and restore this archived document. You have the option to view the document, download it to your computer, or restore it to SharePoint. Let's take a look and make sure it's the document we want. You can scroll through the document to read it right within the preview. By default, CrashPlan will restore documents to their original location in SharePoint, but you can also browse and restore them to a different location. I'll restore this document in place. You can see the restored file highlighted here, ready to use. Archived files can also be found alongside regular backed up files in the full indexed search available in the CrashPlan console. Let's take a look at the SharePoint usage reports in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center to see how close we are to going over our pooled storage. This report shows we're currently using only 63% of our capacity. But you can see from the trend chart that we were almost at our data limit prior to archiving. We no longer have to worry about going over our pooled storage allowance. CrashPlan's unified backup and archiving solution allows budget-conscious IT teams to adopt a strategic data lifecycle approach. You keep all the data you need, whether it's to meet compliance requirements or to enable your users to work without limits. And because archiving is built into our backup policies, you'll also have a secure second copy of your active data, so you're protected against ransomware, accidental deletions, or any cause of data loss. You get resilience plus cost control, with no compromises. Book a consultation with us today to learn how to future-proof your Microsoft 365 data and your budget with CrashPlan.